right, well, I was just passing by and I saw this massive drone out here, so I figured I would stop and visit these guys. I got Steve from C4 Weed Control and Alan from Ag Above Drone Services, and they were kind enough to show me their massive drone in action.
We're just out here spraying some pre and post emergence on a flood control area that it's very hard to walk through or spray with vehicles. So Alan and the drone service came out. We applied it to about a little over 8 acres. Took us about
an hour maybe. Yeah,
maybe about an hour to spray 8 acres.
Going cautious.
Yeah, and that's filling and batteries and everything. So if you do need any of that work done, we can do it for you. We also do residential services, anything you need to be sprayed.
All right.
Yeah, and so Alan, Ag Above Drone Services, based in southeastern Arizona, and I do everything from rangeland, drone application, brush control to spraying on cropland and even these kinds of areas here. And I don't know if you want to show the drone over here, but yeah, so we've got right here, what I use is a DJI T40.
T40?
T40, yeah.
Okay.
So this machine is an excellent workhorse. It does a great job spraying, spreading, oftentimes used in agriculture settings, from everything from fertilizer to, again, brush control, those kinds of things. And then spray a lot of insecticide, herbicide, anything that needs to be done. Pre-post emergent does a really good job out in the field. So anyway, excited to share it with you. It's been a fun project, and it's a great machine. It's pretty incredible, the technology that's out there.
That's amazing. Thanks for showing us around.
You betcha.
Appreciate it. Thanks.